Hello, my name is Arlene Avariano, and this is my presentation on corporate e-learning training and learning opportunities. Corporations look for e-learning and training to develop employee effectiveness and address organizational needs through lifelong learning, which supports skill development in order to accomplish corporate goals and unexpected tasks. Blended learning provides employees with opportunities for growth within the organization and sustained productivity, which translates into long-term corporate success and an effective work environment. Simulation-based learning has been around for at least the last 6 decades, and it has been used in corporate training, universities, K-12, and higher education. And it has had a rapid increase in applications since 2000. Simulation-based learning has proven to be effective in engaging learners by allowing them to apply theory to real-world scenarios, and therefore replacing traditional lectures. Students can score higher on exams, learning outcomes, and training for the workplace. Research has proven that goal setting, debriefing, and the use of multimedia applications impact learning outcomes. This is a history of simulation-based learning according to the literature from 1965 to 2018. And this shows us an exponential rise in growth in simulation-based learning for the same period of time. Connectivism is a theory that is strongly related to digital education age, and corporate training should be embracing this theory. There are 4 avenues to enhance the practice, and lifelong education has led corporate training to develop skills in employees integrated with business practice and vision, where traditional training has no longer a place in corporate training. Transformative and innovative learning should be the essence of corporate training, where engagement and social learning are at the forefront and self-direction is valued. Educators need to be mastering training online, and therefore provide learners with individual needs through scenario-oriented education, empowering the business practice, solving real-world scenarios, and building a new phase to online education. During the COVID-19 pandemic, online learning and training was proven beneficial through online workshops, seminars, and conferences. These utilized Google, Zoom, and WebEx, and the pandemic itself impacted everything education, and this resulted in education through e-learning at the corporate level. The e-learning platform allowed employers and employees to communicate effectively with each other through virtual training environments and assist trainees to attend required courses even on breaks when working. Top 100 companies in the Fortune 500 have committed themselves to diversity, equity, and inclusion, with 1/3 of those companies requiring employees to complete DEI training. An inclusive culture empowers corporate learners to collaborate, and thus the constructivist approach encourages individuals to become self-directed and construct their understanding of the world through their own experiences and interactions. The transformative learning theory challenges learners to change their perspective and understandings of the world, and andragogy discusses that adults learn best when self-directed and motivated. Artificial intelligence, AI, in corporate learning and development will witness an impressive growth in the future. Organizations use this to upskill and reskill employees and to prepare for imminent business changes and provide employees with tailored and compliant best practices. AI technology in corporate L&D decreases corporate costs, improves productivity, and accurately achieves course objectives. AI technologies which Augment corporate training and objectives include visual scanning systems, voice and face recognition, and virtual reality, which can be used to build simulation and engages learners effectively. Chatbots can be implemented into corporate training and development initiatives so that answers may be provided real-time to employees and the organization can acquire valuable database in which to provide employees with valuable learning initiatives. These are my references, and I surely hope that you enjoyed my presentation. Thank you.